How's it going, everybody? I hope you are doing well. Long time no see, I know. But today I'm going to be doing a really simple yet extremely tasty recipe for you, which will involve crushed nuts, some cumin, we're going to grate some cheese, chop an onion and get yourself some puff pastry or flaky pastry, however you want to call it. And that's basically it. Now, if you've been to Turkey, you might see something very similar to this, and they call it KATMER. But this is my sort of take on that recipe. However, it does vary quite a lot. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is chop the onion, grate some cheese, and smash me nuts. Okay, so once you've grated your cheese, chopped your onion, and give your nuts a good smashing, the next stage is the pastry. Now, if you buy this ready mix stuff as a bit of a cheat, you can make your own if you want to, but all you've got to do with this is just quite literally take it out the packet, roll it out, and job done. So let's get on to that. And there you go, it's that easy. Straight out the box, unroll it, and there you go, your sheet of puff pastry. So right then, we're going to start with our cheese. So don't be shy. Pop it on there. Like so, get into the edges. Marvellous, lovely, lovely, lovely. Then your onion. Yeah, again, don't be shy. This really is so easy and yet so tasty. Okay, and next, your nuts. No, I'm not. Yeah, you are. And these take it really to the next level. So good. So spread that out. And finally, your cumin. So just a little sprinkle of cumin. Don't go mad with it, because it is a very strong spice. And there you go. And the only thing you've got to do now is flip that over, seal the edges, and put a couple of fork holes so all the steam and everything else can escape. So let's do that, shall we? You have it. So into a baking tray, just put a little bit of flour at the bottom there. You don't really have to. This pastry is quite good as regards non-stick. That now is going to go in the oven 170 for half an hour. So into the oven it goes. And after your 30 minutes, smells absolutely fantastic. Right then, let's get it cut up.